Galaxy Watch 6. Many people love this watch, but they don't like the straps, so they buy another straps to replace the original straps that comes with the watch. Today I got the new Galaxy Watch 6 straps, the silver one, so we're going to review it on this video. So Watch 6 straps. This is the magnetic straps for the Galaxy Watch 6. Let's insert it on there. Let's insert on the other side. We have inserted it on the other side. The color of the straps and the color of the watch look exactly the same. With the strong magnetic, you can adjust it very nicely. You can adjust it very nicely, unlike the original straps that came with the watch. So that's the straps that we have for today. Goodbye.